Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you some quick descriptions on how you can do some of the example CyberPatriot for instance questions in Ubuntu. So I'll open up the first one. And this one is asking for the path of prohibited MP3 files. So to find this, all you need to do is go into the files, go to search, type .mp3. You can right click it, go to properties, and just copy the location. And then paste it into the text field. And remember to save it before you close it, so the answer is saved. I'll exit out of that and move on to the next one. All right, number 2. It's asking us to find the user ID of a certain user. So we'll do Control-Alt-T to open the terminal. Then I will type ID space the username. Then right here up at the top, you can see it says UID 1015. Put that in there, save it, close it, and then moving on to the third question. And then there's our points for one of the questions that we just answered. And then here's our third question. For this one, we need to find the users in a group called Injustice. So to find this, we need to go back to our group, or our terminal, sorry, type get ent space group space then the name of the group. Then it'll tell us right here the names of the users that are in the group. So then I'll type them right here. And the last one, then I'll save that. Oh, whoops. Save that. Exit. I can exit the terminal as well as the file explorer now. We'll open up the scoring report. And as you can see, we got the points for the first two for instance questions, and then the points for the next one are right there. And those were 3 examples of for instance questions on Ubuntu.